Hello everyone. Now we are going to do this question, which is magnesium reacts with an element X to form an ionic compound. If the ground state electronic configuration of X is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, the simplest formula for this compound is so the what we have to do in this question, we have to find out the element X. Element X, just a second, I will take a higher. Yeah, yeah. We have to find the element X to form an ionic compound. So basically we have to find out the element X which reacts with magnesium, and in the X is the 1s2, 2s2 and 2sp3 is the electronic configuration in the ground state of X. So with using these three information provided to us, we have to find out the correct option out of these four. So let's see what's the correct answer. Yeah, the the electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2sp2 and 2p3. So the valency of X will be 3, and because there are three orbits are there in the uh, elements X electronic configuration, so the valency is 3, and all we as know that the valency of Mg is 2. So with this we can say that the formula of the compound formed by Mg and X2 will be the Mg3 and X2, because the valency of Mg will go under the power of X, and X valency will go under the power of Mg. So that's why it becomes Mg3 and X2. So the correct answer will be this. Let's see. Yeah, the correct answer is answer 4th, which is Mg3X2. So it's Mg3X2. So thank you everyone for watching this video.